Yo guys, welcome back to Tim's Trades. Strap on the junky tourniquet. I've got some feckin' hopium for you. Jab it right into your veins. Anyway, yeah, so the last video we looked at, we were kind of watching the 5-day Gaussian channel, looking for potential kind of ideas of when and where the old bear market would be done, if we can call it this, or the bull market gets going again. Anyway, after the weekly close last night, we got this massive drive of hidden bullish divergence confirmed on the weekly, which is absolutely nice. It's not a signal to ape immediately and just get all along. You can see that the last time we got it was back here, and then we get a retest of the lows. So it's an idea that the last low was the low, and if we break that low at 76.5k, chances are, alright, that's a bear market. So we're able to determine if it's a bear market or not in a higher price range. I would say it's a much better signal. You also get hash ribbons. Can arguably is not confirmed until tonight, but that's there as well. And it's shown a similar thing. If you look at this one, where was the weekly divergence? It was here. You get the buy signal. It's better actually, get it on that, but then again it gives you another test of the lows. It's not an immediate signal to go and buy. It's an idea that the bottom is probably in. In other words, Bitcoin doesn't get lower than the current low. So that's awesome. And we just need to keep watching over the next period. I don't think we're ready to moon yet. I still believe that it's a number of weeks away and we can reject at any point. I mean, you got right in your face this yellow 21 moving average 88. It's a target. I'm already watching 88k. If I zoom into my kind of more short-term messy charts, which I trade with constantly, there's a number of here, it's starting to move up actually quite nicely, but I'm expecting at least a tag of this 88k region, and you've got a whole bunch of different extensions and retraces that are lying in and around about this region. Can go higher 100%. I've got a 1-to-1 on one extension at 89, and then you've got a major retrace. That is, if I explain, just resistance from the last high. Yeah, we've got so much going on in here, it's a bit messy, but I'll zoom into it. So here, this is an inverse retrace, finding resistance from the last high. The 786 is sitting at 90k, 91k basically. So you've got a whole bunch of targets here which are potentially going to give us a bit of resistance. I kind of have the feeling this looks quite bullish and maybe we get a bit higher, right? We just have to wait and see. I'm kind of trading super short term time frames on these, but I have started buying. I have started buying some alts on perps for shorter term trades, not for, like, this is not, I don't expect these to moon from here. Virtuals. 8-ton virtuals, that's in profit. Morpho, 8-ton Morpho, that's in profit. Target's not too high, they're like, you can see it tagged this same thing, this inverse retrace. No, it's not actually, let me zoom in. This is your support actually. So this is just macro support on Morpho. It's tagged the 886 pretty much perfectly. Now it's on to the next leg up. So if we watch it on the way up, I've actually put these pink one. These are my resistance targets. So I feel like looking at structure, you could definitely get up to the 618 here, about 190 or something. So that's a nice move. That's a tradable bounce, and that's what I'm looking at here. Tradable bounces. That's 36%, right? Virtuals. What am I looking at here? You're looking at potentially underneath here. Look at these 1, 2, 3 stabs of support broke through. So a retest of that is on the cards, like imminently, I would suggest. 15-20% move just to there, but I think this can go higher. I genuinely do. I'm too zoomed in on this chart. Let's go back to the daily. You could get the 111 there, definitely, on this move, which is again the same as that kind of more forward, just getting up to there. It could even bounce higher up to 190. You never know with these things. If BTC gets a move into the low 90s, then these can really bounce hard. So you've got some shorter term trades underway now, and we just have to let these run for a day or two or a week or so. Depends on Bitcoin. Watch Bitcoin closely. If it gets rejected where we're suggesting, then things will swing back again potentially and retest the lows. So you just have to be keeping an eye on that. Anyway, if you like, guys, hit the like and subscribe. If you've got any charts you want me to look at, just drop them in the comments and I will do that. Alright, thanks again, bye bye.